You know what? If there were no forests, the wood, the wildlife, the birds, the chirping of the birds, all these make our ecosystem. And if we have to lead a successful life, we have to go to manage the ecosystem. In order to manage ecosystem, we must maintain all these things which are given by the nature, the forests, the waterfalls, the wildlife, because all these are connected to each other through ecosystem. And this year, and I think the coming all years will be challenging for all humanity, the whole humanity, because the global warming is increasing day by day. And even today in 2024, we people are unable to face the heat waves which are coming. And the scientists have already warned that if the same process of increasing carbon dioxide continues on the earth, one day the earth would not be a suitable place for humanity or all living things to breathe on. So, what we should do as human beings, we must grow more and more plants, and we must decrease as soon as we can the use of all the things which are causing the global warming. Because if the temperature continues growing upward, the day is not far away when we all will be dead on the planet Earth. The modern technology, as technology is growing, I feel the world is missing somehow to maintain the ozone layer or the nature, because all these things, the nature, the wildlife, the ozone layer, all are the part of the ecosystem. Somehow we need to think about this, because we need to think before it's too late. Like, subscribe and share.